Hi guys, we're doing the slime challenge. We're gonna pick some slime stuff to do with this blackish greenish slime. Ooh! It's on your feet. And the first challenge is to see who's afraid of slime. That don't make no sense. Ow! Let's see who would put slime in their shirt. Ooh, I'm not. I will, I meant. Come on, Jazzy. Oh, man. Gotta put on live. Who's gonna be first? Any, mini, miny, mo. Catch a bitch, buy stuff. If she holler, let him go. Any, mini, miny, mo. My mom told me to pick the best one. A, you are it. You first. Man. Get over here, Jazzy. Not in the shirt. Not in the shirt. Get over here. I'm in the shirt. In the shirt. Let me see. Not all of it. No, I don't want to do it. Open your shirt. Yes. No. Jazzy. Okay. It's so cold. It's so cold. Take it out. Take it out. I gotta stand. You look like I have a baby. A little baby. My turn. I really don't want to do it, guys. It's very cold. This is so cool. My child. No, yes. No. Drop it. I told you. Get out. Ooh, my stomach. So that was a tie because both of us. The next challenge. So we both got 1 point. Next challenge is to step on it. Ooh, I got it. It's so little and nasty. My turn. Jazzy, you got 2 points. Oh, it feels like Orbeez, like us stepping on Orbeez and they crushing. That's how it feels like. Ew, we gotta clean up this whole mess. And I don't know what we have over here. Do we have any surprises over here? Ooh. It looks like we have a little ball over here. 4 balls. Yeah. Green. We got green. We got yellow, pink, blue. Next challenge. Now it's time to throw something. No. Next challenge is to... No stomach. See who would let them put it in their back. Uh-oh. Sit down right here, Jazzy. Maybe you want to sit backwards. Okay. Everybody, do not try this at home. You just said this because it's going to be cold. No, because, it's so cold! The slime fell out the tube. Yes. Oh no. Okay, my turn. You get all the slime and put it in my back. Okay. It's gonna feel so cold and you're gonna be. Okay. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. Hurry up and get it over with. I gotta get it. I gotta get all of it. Oh, this big blob. Take it out. Your daddy gonna be so dislike this video. Ooh, sorry. Seriously, the ball went on my back. Jazzy, let's play at the slime. Next challenge is to dump it on their head.
Not to dump it on the head again.
What you mean again? We haven't even did that. Oh, that feels so good.
You nasty.
What? How's it nasty? The slime feel good on my face.
Ew, you like to eat.
Ew! No, it's wet. Get on my nose. It's everywhere.
Okay? It's
Jazzy, you can come over here. Come over here and put it on your face. Let them see. Get on your knees.
Okay. But
Slime, yeah, whatever.
the slime gonna look nasty.
Put it. Jazzy!
Huh?
Put your hand up. Okay.
Oh my God, this is my favorite song.
There's music in the background. Well, guys, that made me think about it. Let's go listen to some Kidz Bop music. Let's have a party. Let's put Kidz Bop 28 in. I still got slime on me.
Me too. But it doesn't matter.
It feels so good, though.
Yeah.
It feels so cold, too.
Yeah, it was cold. Until you sat on it. No, if you sit on it. Which, why did you put that in my back? I mean, it's so cold.
Number 1. Where's the remote? Just press play. Wait, we can't. This the remote, Jazzy? This the remote?
No. We lost the remote.
We lost the remote.
We lost the remote.
Got to find that remote. It's in the bed somewhere.
Messed up.
Jazzy. Take the cover off the bed. Okay, we got to find that remote.
It's okay.
We found it. Play. We got to step back.
This hit that ice cold, Michelle Pfeiffer and white gold. This one for them good girls, straight masterpieces. Styling, wildin', living it up in the city. Got Chucks on with Saint Laurent, gotta kiss myself, I'm so pretty. I'm too hot, yeah. Call the police and I'm frightened, man. I'm too hot, yeah. Make a dragon wanna retire, man. I'm too hot, yeah. Say my name, you know who I am. I'm too hot, yeah. And I'm banging about that money. Bring it down. Girls hit you, hallelujah. Girls hit you, hallelujah. Girls hit you, hallelujah. Cause Uptown Funk gon' give it to you. Cause Uptown Funk gon' give it to you. Cause Uptown Funk gon' give it to you. Saturday night and we in the spot. Don't believe me, just watch. Come on. Don't believe me, just watch. 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 Hey, oh, stop. Wait a minute. Fill my cup, put some water in it. Take a sip, sign a check. Pull it up, get the stretch.
Hi guys, okay. I wanted you to see my pets too. So let's go and see my pets, guys.
Are y'all done?
Guys, meet my dad.
What's happening? Hey. Okay.
This is my bird, guys. Where is she? We just got her today. And this is my rabbit. And this is my snake. It's kind of dark. You can't really see it, but it's a snake. So guys, like this video. Give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more fun videos. Bye. Jazzy, come and tell them bye. Tell them bye. Peace out. Don't believe, just watch.
Too hot, hot, yeah. Look at you, wanna retire, man. Too hot, hot, yeah. Yeah, say my name, you know who I am. Too hot, hot, yeah. I'm a band about that money. Girls hit you, hallelujah. Girls hit you, hallelujah. Girls hit you, hallelujah. 'Cause